Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to download TurboTax. So for this you have to click on the start button, then you have to search for the Chrome, and then you have to go for the TurboTax download. Then if you click on the TurboTax download or the first option, it will take a couple of seconds to get loaded, and if you choose the first one from here, after that here you can see that there are so many options that you can download from here. So here is the TurboTax basic, TurboTax deluxe for federal only, TurboTax deluxe for federal plus state, TurboTax premier, TurboTax home and business, TurboTax business. So for example, I would like to go for the TurboTax home and business from here, and after that here you can say here select your computer's operating system to begin. So I'm going for the Windows, and if you have the Mac, then you can go for the Mac OS. So for me, let's go for the Windows from here. After that, here you can see the TurboTax is already downloading. So if you then after the download, if you just click on this file and go through the processes by clicking on next and then clicking on install, it will simply install the TurboTax, and then you have to give your account number and password there, and you can simply use that file. So it is as simple as that, guys. Thank you very much for watching this video.